makeup on for you. I didn't have something for my cheeks, but here you have it. I am tired. I hope I don't mess it up by yawning. Oh, oh, I got yawn. But I almost feel like I need like a what do you call it? A cotton swab or something to each time that I need to touch my face. Because I feel if I scratch, I'm gonna like take a big piece of makeup off. But you really see the anyway, I was looking at this like that. I wonder if I should go live. Each time I try to go live, it messes up. Maybe this time it'll work. Now that I took time to do my hair. Should we try it? Anyway, click like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for any upcoming videos of me being silly, sometimes being informative, other times showing you my hair like this and makeup. Whoa. Or simply sitting and having a mukbang with you. Remember to share, because sharing is caring, and I'm a girl who likes to show her uvula before and after she eats. So with that, if you see a tongue in the heading, it's because you will be seeing my mouth open. So with that, I will see you in the live and any other videos coming up. See you soon.